Right, we are back. I found out the number. The number is 170, but we're gonna start over from the beginning just in case. Disconnect. I'll turn off all the apps. Oh shit. Okay, so it's disconnected. So first of all, to do the programming on the bike. That's the last part that we left. You turn on the bike. Now the bike is on. The Bluetooth is looking for a signal. We are going to go to the tablet. You're gonna go to the settings. On the settings, you're gonna go to Bluetooth, and then you're gonna pair the device. It's gonna take you a little while. They kind of weird numbers you're gonna have to figure out. Just turn the bike off, turn the bike on to see if you see it. Then you could scan to if you don't see anything. You see, now I'm finding some new devices, but this is the device. It's already paired. Once it's paired, it may ask you for a password. The password is 1234. You press enter, and you're paired, not connected. The Bluetooth device will be paired to the tablet. Android tablet only. You cannot do anything Apple. So now that we are paired, now we're gonna connect using the Kelly controller app. It's gonna ask you, are you sure the motor is not running before you start doing this thing? You say yes, the motor is not running. What you're gonna use? You're gonna use the cable, or you're gonna use the Bluetooth. We're gonna pick Bluetooth, connect. Now it's gonna give you a few options. Connect to the Bluetooth, disconnect from the Bluetooth, read the controller or write on the controller. We're gonna press connect to the Bluetooth device, and this thing is gonna stop shining. Okay, it's asking me is this the one you wanna connect? Yes, you're gonna press yes. It's gonna stop shining. That means the tablet is connected to the device, and the app is also connected to the bike, to the controller. So now we're gonna press read so we could see what's inside the controller. And now we're in. We're gonna ignore everything. We're gonna go directly to the angle authentication. This is the programming of the acceleration. We're gonna go to the, it was so easy to find before. So okay, I guess it was in the beginning. Maybe I skipped the overall. Okay, it's right there. Motor identified, and I don't know what that means. Maybe angle. It's supposed to be angle authentication. That's another way to name it. It's gonna say 85. 85 means that the controller is already programmed with this motor hub. It's already know where the magnets are. So we're gonna put 170. We're gonna delete the 85. We're gonna put 170. We're gonna press enter. I'm gonna go back, and then we're gonna press right. Right means it's gonna record the information that you are giving to the controller. Now the controller knows, but it's not gonna do anything. The angle authentication is gonna start once you turn on the bike. And with other bikes, you will need a bike stand so you could lift the wheel, because it takes some minutes. But with the ONYX, you don't have to. The ONYX is so fast, it takes like 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds. So we don't need the tablet anymore. We just need to turn it off. And once we turn it back on, it's gonna do it. So I'm gonna get some space here. We're gonna nail the bike on the kickstand, and we're gonna lift that wheel up. Let me see if I have enough space. Yeah, I have enough space, so let me get a better angle for the camera. Okay, let me kneel again. I'm gonna turn it off and on. Once I turn it on, automatically the process is gonna start. I'm gonna turn it off and on now. Once you turn it on, it's gonna start doing the whole process. Like I say, ONYX is very fast at doing this. It takes on average 40 to 1 minute. It's gonna make some ticking noises. It's just detecting where the magnets are exactly located in the hub. If you don't do that, you may have less speed than normal. You could burn stuff. Okay, it's making some noises. It's very important not to put it on the ground when this is happening. Like I said, that was fast. That's probably it. I'm just gonna wait a little extra just to be patient. But it's actually done. Oh, no, I saw a movement. Yeah, you see, that's why you don't trust too much. I'll just wait like 1 minute or two. Okay, it's done. But like I said before, oh, look at that bad thing here. It's a bent rim. Okay, I'm done. Once it's done, what do you do? Once it's done, you turn off the bike and you are done.